Hello, good morning, Rodolfo. This Jose Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing. So we spoke a little bit a while ago, and as promised, here's your website audit video. So I'm going to be showing you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So often in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So I found by giving away this free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business, a lot of businesses take this information and do it themselves, but some call me back and I have me do it for them as well. If by the end of this video you like what you heard and see the things I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan for yourself, that works for me as well. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your competition, you above your competition and not wasting any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So this here is your site and it looks well built. There's a lot of nice pictures here and good information. I have one video here as well, which is the flow is good. And what we're going to be doing is you guys would need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. Now Google loves content in their websites, in any websites, and you guys have about 347 words on the home page. Now we're going to be showing the competition here, which is the most local one in Los Angeles, Mary Maids, and their word count is about 740 words, which is very beatable. Now these guys over here have a different website, and so when we're talking about words, we're talking about addition to this, the more content you have, the more you look like an expert in Google sites. So you'll want to beat your competitors if you have more than 1,500 words. In this case, if you get 1,500 words or more, then you're set to beat them with the content. Now, when somebody searches for a certain search phrase, in this case, cleaning services Los Angeles, Google crawls the websites on the internet searching and ranking the results. So I have this paid program here where I use to plug in websites. It's called Ahrefs. Now Google is looking for keywords and is looking for what the site should be found for. And if you have the exact words listed multiple times on your site, you're going to be really relevant for that search. And Google is going to be willing to put you higher in the results. Now let's take a look at this here. If we were able to find cleaning services Los Angeles, it shows 0 for that search keyword on your site. And we can take a look at their competitor as well, and it would come up at 0 as well. So if we implement those certain keywords on your site, then you would be looking at ranking higher than your competitor. Now the second thing I want to cover with you is another important aspect to Google: backlinks. Backlinks, UR and DR ratings. Now I put the competitor site here on my program, and when it comes to showing what you're up against, the UR rating shows how powerful your website is in the eyes of Google. In this case, they are 34 out of 100, and the DR rating is a trust rating. The DR here is 71. If we go over to yours is kind of low at 7, and the trust level is 0.2. Now, when we mean an important way of raising these numbers is through backlinks, which we can see over here with a competitor. They have 154,000 backlinks. A backlink is basically a shout out or an endorsement from another website. With this program, we can actually see what kind of links they have and obtain them for your website. It's literally like a popularity contest where the website with the most backlinks wins people. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting that backlinks need to be relevant to your industry, and local websites will work best. Now moving on to the next visible section is the third most important item. In this section here, we're showing you the Google Map Pack. This Google, I went ahead and did a Google search for cleaning services Los Angeles, and this is what popped up. And so the top 3 listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. Now, some things that you can do to get listed in here are have a Google business profile, which I see that you do. Fill out as much as possible, name, number, hours, photos, etc. And number 3, put your name, address, and phone number into as many relevant directories as possible. These are called citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile, your GBP. Citations can help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations are included in directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureaus, and 100 of others you may have heard of. Now, social media accounts are great as well. The idea is that your site begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above the competition. Now, the websites here listed below are called the organics. You also want to be listed in the top 3 so that the most amount of people will find you. So this is this looks like if you were to get more content and keywords on your site, increase your UR and DR ratings, and get some high quality backlinks and citations, you could be bringing in a lot of calls and you start to outgrow your competitors online as well. Now, I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that this will generate some decent revenue with more traffic. So this is what I do for a living, and I hope this video was helpful, and I greatly appreciate hearing your thoughts or questions. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some information, or we can talk about your goals. And I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Now again, my name is Jose Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing. Feel free to reach out. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope this helps, and have a good day.